You will find extensions right here all the way up, and what you will find these pieces right here. They go like about 2 feet above the ground. 2 feet above the ground. They have arrows on it. The arrow is pointed to the right, so you do have two 990s, and you do have two 065. Gosh, you can see them. 065. See, they pointed towards the front. They pointed towards the front entrance into your greenhouse. So 099 is go towards the greenhouse right there, towards the front, and you keep going that way all the way through. Okay. Again, this is the main house. This is not a main house. This is extension. This is 990 on one side, and right before this we have something else, because this is a 036. 036 is the main. Same way on this side. 036 is the main. This is the 036, and here's the 036, and to continue it towards the front you got 065. Okay, that should be it. And as you can see, this is 036. That's where the arrows show towards the front greenhouse. And we're going that way, and we're probably going to be finish all this in 2 hours.